So we don't fully know the mechanisms behind how mindfulness-based stress reduction, particularly, or mindfulness-based interventions in general, really, it does seem that the mechanisms behind how meditation practices work are somewhat different from basic relaxation. There's sort of reasonable evidence that the networks of the brain may be getting sort of reconfigured or changed in particular ways to help people to sort of shift their attention back to make emotion regulation an easier thing for them to do.